Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about a niche that you can get into on YouTube to start making money, really good money per month. Now, when we look at this, you can already see that we're talking about the conspiracy shorts niche. You're going to use YouTube Shorts. These are extremely easy and fast to make videos. You're only having to make 1 minute or less videos, and you can upload a lot more. You could actually aim to upload 3 a day, grow your channel, get subscribers fast, and then later on we can use longer form videos, longer form contents that are 8 minutes or longer to start bringing in more watch time hours, and then you can actually start earning that YouTube partnership ad revenue. But you can also send links, affiliate links, and make money in other ways as well. So we're going to be looking at this conspiracy shorts niche. Let's jump into this real quick. So I want to show you some channels right off the bat. If we look over here, you can see that this one is Bent Elect. And you can see that he has 1.73 million subscribers. Look at his videos, like right here, 21 seconds, 38 seconds. They don't even have to be a full minute long. You can do 14 seconds long and get 255,000 views right here. And he just uploaded this 21 hours ago. So he is getting a ton of views. And think about it. People are just scrolling through, watching YouTube Shorts now, just like people watch TikTok. And it's just easy. Some people like to consume, it's a difference between consuming one video in 10 minutes that's 10 minutes long, and they can only watch one video because they only have a 10-minute break at work or something, right? Well, a lot of people like to flip out their phones and watch YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos, so they can watch 10 to 20 videos in 5 to 10 minutes, right? So you get a lot more just engaging, fun, flipping and seeing a lot more different videos, and that's why people are watching all these videos, right? So we can look through here like that, and then we can go through and see that this account is actually seasoned and old, so this isn't an example of creating one brand new, but I'm sure that over the last year or two is where he really blew up his channel, when he decided to go all in with YouTube Shorts. He has an A grade on Social Blade. And you can see he's had 1.7 million. No, that's almost 2 billion views. And so he's got almost 2 million subscribers, 747 uploads. But I mean, when you're uploading 14-second videos, you can get that very quickly, right? So this is estimating that he is making $1 million per month. That is just insane, right? So now we know that this is just a calculation, but based on, it depends on how many long form videos that he has. We would go look. So look at all these different ones. I'm going to go to videos and click on there, and you can see, so obviously all those are short videos. Most of them are short videos, right? But he does have long form videos in here as well. Let's see if we can go filter that real quick. So you can see, like right here is an example of one that is 7 minutes long. He's going to get more watch time, and he's going to be able to put ads on those types of videos. Okay, so we're going to go and look at some more channels. This one's called Jack Neal, and look, he's got titles like How to Get Metaverse Rich. Now, metaverse is going to be one of those keywords that going into 2022 right now, I think that's going to be one of the biggest niches that you can get into, talking about the metaverse, right? And Facebook is changing their name. What are they changing their name to? Like Meta or something? They are changing their name, and it has to do with the metaverse. And so that is just if that's any indication to how much that niche and keyword metaverse is going to take off. So you want to hop on that as well. And that's what this guy's doing as well. This guy's got 1.3 million subscribers, Jack Neal, and you can see all of his he's YouTube Shorts, but then like right here, he has a long form, 3 people who survive freak accidents. And he is also able to monetize those videos right now. I believe a small amount of people are actually able to monetize in some way YouTube Shorts as well. And I think that these people that have millions of subscribers and they're doing YouTube Shorts channels, they're probably also making money from the YouTube partnership program on their YouTube, on their shorts. But it's not, everybody's not making money from shorts from the partnership program, if that makes any sense. But these are great ways to grow your channel. And then you start sprinkling it in with long form content, 14 minutes right here. Okay. Better believe he made money with 25,000 views right there. So then we just keep coming through here, and you can actually see on Jack Neal, they're saying that he's making $363,000 per month from his channel. And he also has an A-, and his channel hasn't been around that long, in 2016. Then we move over here, we find another one. And this one is the most impressive because he started this channel this year. This Luke Davidson Facts daily uploads. He has 1.76 million subscribers. And you can see right here, let's see if we can find, they're just mostly YouTube shorts as well. Let's see, I'm going to go back over here to home and see if he has a different, let's see if he has, nope, he doesn't have any other like playlists or anything like that. But we come over here into Social Blade and look at his stuff. He just started this less than 1 year ago. So this has only been around for 11 months. February of 2021, he started this. And he's based out of California, and he has a ton of millions of views, and subscribers is 1.75 million, and he has 300 uploads. And so this one is saying he's making $758,000 per month. This is just unreal, right? And even if we come down here and just say, okay, because it's YouTube shorts, they're going to definitely be on the low end. You're looking at 47,000 right there that this guy's making. He's getting 10,000 new subs a day on this account, and this is just crazy, right? And then last but not least, there's one more, and this one is, I don't know how to pronounce that, but he's got 2 million subscribers, and this is just another one. He's also doing fun facts and things like that. You can do conspiracy theories. You can do all kinds of stuff. This one doesn't have a Social Blade. He's like hidden on Social Blade. So how can we go about doing this real quick? Well, we can go over to Google real quick. Okay. We're going to do a couple of different things, but on this one, we're going to type in conspiracy theories on Google, and we're just going to go and look. Now there's different ways we can do this. So there's one right over here. We're just going to kind of look at this content.time.com and click on that. Just click on some random one, right? And you can see there's different ones right here. We can go over here and look at some different ones. The moon landings were faked. That one's one of the most popular ones out there, right? So what you can do with this now is you can do two different things, okay? We can grab this content depending on what you want to do, because if you're going to just take a few sentences here and there, then you could consider this content curation, or curating the content. You can even leave a link back to this site in the description, so it's not stealing the content. You're just making a video, and you're basically just doing content curation. If you don't want to do that and you want it to be more unique, you can copy this content and come into a software called Quilbot, right? And we can put it on any one of these that we want, and we can leave it. And this is where you're going to make it really unique and spend. We're going to go to the third level there, and then we're just going to paste that text in here. And then right down here, there's a button, paraphrase. We're going to click that button, and it's going to go out there, and it's going to just rewrite this. Anything that it can't rewrite, or names or something like that, it's not going to rewrite those names. Like right here, Grissom, Edward H. White. Those are going to stay intact. So facts are definitely going to stay, and names are going to stay, but it's going to just rewrite the words that it's comfortable with. And this is the best article rewriter or context rewriter. It's just going to come out very human readable, right? So then you could take this content and push copy. You could copy this content. We're going to go over to a software over here called Pictory, right? So Pictory is a really good AI software that we can go and create videos quickly. They have 4 different ways you can create videos. If we wanted to copy that script that we just made in there, we can actually just use this, push start, and we can paste that in right here, okay? But I'm going to push cancel, and what we're going to do is we're going to actually go through here. We're just going to grab the URL up here, copy. I'm going to go back into Pictory, and we're just going to paste that in over here and push proceed. It's going to go gather that content and that text from that URL, from that website, and then it's going to create content, create a video for us. And we'll be back in a sec. So it pulled in all the text. Now everything in green is what it's including over here. Okay. And so it's going to tell us right over here as well. You can see down here, it says estimated video duration, 25 seconds. So we can leave this at 25 seconds. We can add some more stuff in here, but watch, if we add this in, then it's going to make that, 30 seconds long, right? And so there we go. We can come back through here, far-fetched as the hoax. We can grab that. It's going to add it to the bottom, and then we can leave that in there, right? So it's kind of nice. You can kind of have an estimation of how long the video is going to be, and you don't have to include all the content right there, which is really cool. So then we can come back through here, and now we would just push the next button, okay? So then now you have 3 different videos. If you're making a long form video, then you're gonna go with the landscape video, but in this case, we're talking about YouTube Shorts. So and then for Instagram, you would go with the square, but in this case, we're gonna go with the 9:16 portrait, right? So we're going to click that. It's going to open up. The video storyboard is being created. So Pictory is actually going out there, and it has an AI and an algorithm. It's going to go out there and actually start just trying to find things that match our text in here, right? So you can see the text was, the video estimation was a bit off. So we have 1 minute and 30 seconds. So we are going to need to trim a little bit of this stuff. So we'll just say theorists, let's say they were executed, which feared they were about to disclose the truth. Far-fetched. It's really hard to get rid of some of this stuff because it's so good. So this last scene right here, I'm probably going to delete that one. Yes. And what's going to see, we're down to 1 minute and 14 seconds. We're going to need to get rid of just a little bit more. This first slide, I'm going to go ahead and delete that first slide as well. And we're down a few more seconds. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to copy this text. I'm going to show you another thing that you can do. So we've got this down to 1 minute. I believe it's going to end up being less than 1 minute because we need to go and get some, you can just leave the text on there and let people read it, and that works just fine. But if you want to go the extra step, then you can go in and do some other stuff too. So you can go into Well Said Labs, okay? And then we can go in here. I'm just going to sign into my account. I have a premium account. And this is a place where you can actually, I'm just going to say that this is testing. We can come in here, and we're going to just grab that and throw that text in here, okay? But we need to get rid of the scene 5 thing, okay? So we're going to clean this up a little bit. Perfect. Okay, so then you can select who you want. Let's go over here and maybe...
You can't possibly imagine. Trust your gut.
Your creative life will evolve in ways that you can't.
Well, let's go with this one, I think.
Room to play.
So we're going to go with this guy, and we're going to say create. Okay, so it's going to go out there. It's going to create. And Well Said Labs, this is going to be the most human AI voice that you can get out there. There's one other one that's really good too. It's called Lovo. They are a little bit less quality, but still higher quality than all the other AI generators. So those are the only 2 that I recommend if you're actually going to use this to create and publish on YouTube. Well Said Labs is going to be the highest one that you can get, the highest quality. That you're not going to be able to tell the difference if that this was not hired out, that it's not a human. So we've got this. That's only 38 seconds right there. Okay. Now we can test this.
It's now been nearly 4 decades since Neil Armstrong took his giant leap for mankind, if that is, he ever set foot off this planet. Doubters say the U.S. government, desperate to beat the Russians in the space race, faked the lunar landings with Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin acting out their mission on...
Okay, so it sounds really good. So all you have to do is just push the download button. Now, I'm on the $49 a month plan, and I will say that this would work for YouTube Shorts because you're just using a very small amount of text each video, so it would work perfect. If you're doing long form content, you're going to end up needing the $100 or $200 plan per month. Just an FYI. So here we go now. We're going to go back in over to Pictory. Now we can come over here and we can actually go to, let's see, the add voiceover, and we're going to upload a voiceover right here. Okay. And then right here, we're going to drag this one right over here. It's uploading that one as we speak, so we don't have to go and record or anything like that. It's just done for us. Now, this is very important. You're going to want to push the entire video to sync this. It's going to go out there and sync this to our text, which is amazing. Now, there's a lot of other tools out there, right, that can do pretty good with the auto syncing of the voiceover. I have Wave Video. I have I have WeVideo, I have InVideo, I have all the video creator premium editions of those creators, but Pictory is the only one that's really gone out and put a lot of effort and technology into getting their voiceover to sync with the slides 100%. And so that's why Pictory is my favorite choice for this job. So let's go and check this out.
Off this planet. Doubters say the U.S. government, desperate to beat the Russians in the space race, faked the lunar landings with Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin acting out their mission on a secret film set. NASA says Aldrin was twisting the flagpole to get the moon's soil, which caused the flag to move. Theorists have even suggested that filmmaker Stanley Kubrick may have helped NASA fake the first lunar landing, given that his 1968 film 2001. They were executed by the U.S. government, which feared they were about to disclose the truth.
Okay, so there we go. So we can say looks good. The video is done. We can come up here and actually now generate the video, and it's just done. It's a beautiful video. It doesn't take long. You can put these together in 15 minutes or less, and then you can just go back to YouTube and upload. Now, it's important to know that when you're uploading this, you're going to put a title, right? We can go and research. Let's just go real quick. If you're in this tool, vidIQ, we're going to go to Keyword Inspector, okay? And then we can go and put in here like moon conspiracy and push enter. It's going to go out there and then now you can see all these keywords that the moon landing, moon conspiracy is 1,000, but we can just keep going through here and you can actually sort by the top as well. Conspiracy theories, moon conspiracy theory is pretty highly searched right there. Moon landing conspiracy. So that's what you're going to want to go with, right? So you can get your notepad out. I'm going to shrink this down. I'm just going to show you how I would do this, right? So we would go like this because that one has pretty good. And then fake moon landing is good as well. So I'm going to go moon landing conspiracy. And then I'm going to go fake moon landing. And then we're going to go hashtag shorts. That's very important. And then we're also going to just put something else in here like hashtag. I'm going to put fake moon landing. You can put 2 in there, but this is the most important one right here. Okay. And that would be our title, moon landing conspiracy, fake moon landing. So this is a really cool niche. When I'm looking at this stuff and I'm learning about it, it makes me want to just go out, and I can't have 100 YouTube channels. But gosh, if any of you are wondering a way to get started this year in 2022, it's January, go out and attack this. It doesn't have to be conspiracies. It can be facts based. It can be science. It can be anything like that. But you can make these little videos and get a ton of subscribers. You're going to start getting a lot of audience growth. And then you can actually start putting out full-fledged, you can outsource 10-minute videos, and then that's where the money is going to come in. And so this is a really great launch to starting a YouTube channel. It's very easy, in my opinion, to get started with this. So this is a great way that you can start making money using AI software. I used AI software to create the voiceover. I used AI software to create the video, right? If you want to go and get Pictory, I'll leave a link below. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. I'm going to come out with a lot more tutorials like this that are just useful, great ideas for you to go out and start tackling. I'll see you in the next video.